we know Sam Altman was at the White House, the CEO of OpenAI, but he's also involved in another company called OKLO, right? It's a nuclear company, nuclear, what do you call those things? Nuclear reactors, right? They, because so, as far as I'm concerned, by the way, nuclear energy is probably the cleanest energy out there. I'm not an expert, but from what I read, right? And so, but the point I'm trying to make is there are two stocks that I've been following, and I'll go into the charts, talk about it, but maybe you are involved with it, and I just got involved with them. On the short side, we'll see who's going to live, who's going to survive at the end of this. But I am talking about two stocks that I've been talking about actually on the Power Hour or on Trading with Sergio for the last, since I started the channel, basically, right? So one is NewScale, one is OKLO, and other nuclear stocks soar on anticipation of AI's growing energy needs. Well, when Sam Altman and Masa-san from SoftBank and Oracle CEO Larry Ellison were there, they said, we're going to put in 500 billion. While these AI data centers, which they said they started building in Texas. Why is everything getting built in Texas, by the way? Oh, they're a business-friendly state. I got you. Okay. So these stocks have gone parabolic now, through the roof, right? And then we'll, when I talk about my watch list, we'll talk about the charts. But there is an underlying issue here, which is AI data centers. These are massive, massive, massive data centers. They have massive energy requirements. And where is that going to come from, right? So that's why there is a connection now between, and by the way, Sam Altman is a massive shareholder in OKLO, okay? So the key takeaways in this is they were there pushing AI, saying we're going to invest 500 billion in the US for AI, and the AI centers, data centers need, all these large language models they run on these data centers, they need energy to run these massive, massive data centers. So where's that going to come from? A lot of the talk is that it's going to come from nuclear energy, not nuclear, it's nuclear. When this is just when who was it that said that? Oh, Bush Jr. He would say nuclear. I'd be like, bro, it's not nuclear, it's nuclear. Anyway, nuclear energy stocks roared higher Thursday, extending gains earlier, and I know they're up today because the ping was I bought more puts. President Donald Trump on Tuesday announced 500 billion joint venture with Oracle, OpenAI, and SoftBank, and all these stocks are flying. So you're going to say, Serge, go with the trend. Yeah, but these things have doubled and a half in like 4 days. When things go parabolic, they don't end well. We know that. And none of these stocks, by the way, have any revenue, have any earnings. They haven't built any nuclear stations yet. And I'm going like, okay, we're getting a little ridiculous now. And, we'll see how the game ends. But, limited risk option plays. I'm not shorting the stock yet. But, if you are into these stocks, when they get up to the nosebleed section, right, you need to start trimming. Don't, I have a saying that I carry from my mentors for 30 years. Bulls make money, bears make money, pigs get slaughtered. Don't be a pig. Take your profits or hedge yourself at least.